Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, it is Vlogmas day 13, I think, and I'm walking to the bus right now. It is 10 degrees and I'm frozen. My hair froze because I just showered. Now it's frozen, but it's so cold and windy. Like it's literally frozen, like I can't move it. It's like so miserable, like my ear hurts. Oh, their house is kind of pretty. Yeah, I don't know what today's vlog's gonna be though. Oh, just got turned off. That's insane. Okay, so it's a lot later. It's after dinner. It is 6:06. Yes, we eat dinner early. And today, I just thought of like an idea for Vlogmas day 13. And it is that I could like clean my parents' like house because we just ate dinner and like the counter's so dirty. And like the table is just a mess. And the house is just a mess. And it's making me crazy because it's just looks like a hoarding. I went to the dentist today and I found out I need my wisdom teeth removed, so that's fun. So there'll probably be a video coming up on that. I don't know when, to be honest. A couple months, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna get started cleaning because they're gonna be gone for an hour and that's when I do my best. This will be needed. So I just got doing the dishes, now I'm gonna dry them. Okay, so I just finished. Took me exactly 30 minutes. And I think it looks super good. Here's what it looks like. Just a quick and easy cleanup. So much better. I did like 3 loads of dishes and I dried them and put them away. Looks super good. Sorry, this video is probably kind of boring because I have ideas. I just need to gather my stuff for Vlogmas. Well, I guess if you guys like today's video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe and comment what you had for dinner tonight. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.